It has been mentioned with the delight of the name Al-Wadud, and you already know this name. In the Naqshbandi Haqqani path, it is recommended to recite the name Ya Vedud 300 times before sleeping. The name Al-Wadud settles affection in the heart, especially if you recite this name abundantly among close ones. For instance, families should particularly do this. You wonder how those quarrels arise from things you don't even understand. Where do they come from? Satan is so skilled that he can turn a flea into a camel. You look, you ponder, you cannot find where the quarrel originated. For this reason, use your shield against Satan. Use the shield of Al-Wadud. You can say it 300 times before sleep. It is exquisite for affection between husband and wife. If recited 1,000 times, it is even more beautiful. If we continuously remember this name, it opens the channels of affection with our relatives, our friends, and everyone. For the first 20 people who write their name and date of birth in the comments, I will provide a personalized recitation count based on abjad calculation, so I advise you to hurry. You love for the sake of Allah, you begin to love. The heart is such a powerful entity that it immediately affects what is before it. It has an instant impact. The heart has received such a portion from the name Al-Wadud that it looks upon the other with such affection that their heart inevitably turns towards this love. Now, the heart of one who remembers Ya Vedud will have its channels of affection opened. Because they look upon the other with that love, the other has no possibility of resisting that affection, for they love for the sake of Allah, they look for the sake of Allah. On the grounds of the Quran, we now see that the Almighty Allah introduces Himself as Al-Wadud in 2 places. Every believing person who knows Allah's name, Al-Wadud, should establish relationships based on love and affection with people and strive to earn Allah's love through obedience and worship. He is the all-compassionate, the affectionate, the one who loves His righteous servants much and is much loved by them, the one who admits them to His mercy and pleasure, the only one worthy of being loved and whose friendship is to be earned. Truly, my Lord is the all-merciful, the all-loving. He is the oft-forgiving, the all-loving. If a dispute, a disagreement, or enmity occurs between 2 people, if one recites the name Ya Vedud 1,000 times over a meal, and then feeds that meal to the person in opposition, the one they cannot agree with, then, by the permission of Allah the Exalted, the disagreement between them will disappear. One who remembers Ya Vedud, Ya Allah, 270 times daily will be freed from debts and poverty. From Allah's names, the remembrance Ya Vedud, Ya Allah, Shelle Shelalu, can be recited 400 times daily to gain everyone's love. One who recites this name 400 times will gain everyone's love. To the first 20 people who write their name and date of birth in the comments, I will provide a personalized recitation count and time. Those who perform the recitation in this manner will be able to benefit from this name to the maximum degree. Do not forget to follow our channel and turn on the notification bell. Thus, you can be instantly informed and benefit from the upcoming personalized studies in future lessons from beyond reality. For now, may you be entrusted to Allah.